Protein. You know it's important, but why? It's essential to growing, building, and repairing muscle. Every time you exercise, you break down muscle tissue, and it takes a consistent daily supply of protein to build those muscles back up. Whether you're focused on strength training or endurance, dietary protein is essential to help you reach your goals. Muscles recover quicker when you combine proteins like whey with carbohydrates. For optimum results, it's best to consume carbs and protein together within 45 minutes after your workout. Ideally in a 2-to-1 ratio, 40 grams of carbs to 20 grams of protein. So for a more effective workout and faster recovery time, put protein to work for your body every day.